Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering measured ingredients. 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, 1 tablespoon chopped chives, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Place eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a rolling boil over high heat, then reduce to a simmer, and cook for 10 minutes for fully set yolks and easy peeling. Immediately transfer boiled eggs to an ice bath and cool for 10 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easy. Peel and roughly chop eggs, separate into larger white pieces and smashed yolks for texture. In a bowl, combine chopped eggs with 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons chopped celery, and 1 tablespoon chives. Gently fold to combine. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, tasting and adjusting seasoning as needed. For best flavor and texture, chill the egg salad in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so seasonings meld and flavors mellow. Serve on toasted bread, in a wrap, atop mixed greens, or with crackers. Portion sizes typically use about 1/2 cup per sandwich. Store leftovers in an airtight container and keep refrigerated for up to 3 days, discarding if left out more than 2 hours. For variations, stir in 2 tablespoons pickle relish, or substitute 1/4 cup plain yogurt for some.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.